History remembers Nostradamus for kings, plagues, and burning skies. But his most precise prophecy may be sitting beneath fluorescent lights, between the energy drinks and windscreen fluid, the sealed tray of gas station sushi. That sounds improbable only until you read what he actually wrote. In 1555, Nostradamus described the fish of Euboea as a half-cooked. He said the inhabitants would come to cut them, and that this would happen when Rhodes and Genoa lacked biscuit. Half-cooked fish. Cut into portions for ordinary people. A portable meal appearing precisely as bread disappears. This is not vague. It is an ingredient list. A half-cooked describes the exact territory between raw and fully seared, the world of aburi, tataki, and the salmon beneath a clear plastic lid. And Nostradamus does not describe fishermen cooking a whole catch. He describes inhabitants cutting fish into deliberate pieces. Then there is the biscuit. In his century, biscuit meant durable travel bread, the dependable food of sailors and people moving between cities. Nostradamus gives us fish replacing the West's oldest portable carbohydrate. Once the biscuit retreats, rice takes its place. In the very same year, Nostradamus published a practical work on cosmetics and preserves. The prophet studied shelf life. He understood that the future of fish depended not merely on catching it, but on keeping it. Which leads to the refrigerated case. Only 2 quatrains after the half-cooked fish, he writes of fish, iron, and a letter shut up together. Fish, the sushi. Iron, the steel refrigeration surrounding it. The letter, the printed label fixed to the package. 3 objects once separate are united in every chilled tray today. Contents. Container. Label. Even the prophecy resembles packaging. The location is given next. In the adjacent passage, the scene sits near gates and within 2 cities. Hunger is within, steel is outside. This is the modern service station in elevation, positioned at the edge of a city or between cities, food inside, metal dispensers outside. The evidence is becoming difficult to avoid. Elsewhere, Nostradamus states that flesh shall give place to fish. For generations, roadside food meant flesh, sausages, burgers, and the rotating item nobody wishes to identify. Now the refrigerated case offers salmon, tuna, and crab. This is not merely a change of menu. It is a transfer of power. The transfer is measurable. Prepared food now commands more than a quarter of in-store sales at American convenience stores. The forecourt has become a restaurant with petrol attached. But how does an Eastern food reach a Western roadside? Nostradamus answers that too. He writes that a Oriental leaves his seat and travels over air, waters, and snow. Sushi reaches the forecourt through the same grammar: refrigerated pallet, container ship, aircraft, cold room, delivery vehicle. The snow is not an obstacle. It is the mechanism. Nigiri itself was convenience food made at Edo Street stalls for people moving through the city. The gas station restores that original arrangement: prepared fish, traveler, and a temporary stop beside the road. The final clue is Mercury. Nostradamus pairs old roads made fair with the great Mercury, guardian of travelers and merchants. Improved roads, traveling customers, constant commerce. The service station is simply Mercury's modern temple, selling motion outside and nourishment within. Consider the full convergence. Fish neither raw nor fully cooked. Cut into portions when biscuit fails. Fish, iron, and writing enclosed together. Hunger inside and steel outside, between cities. Flesh yielding to fish. An Eastern product crossing air, water, and snow. Commerce gathered beside improved roads. Any one of those details might be coincidence. Together, they are overwhelming. Nostradamus did not supply the brand, the region, or the little packet of soy sauce. He supplied the entire system. So next time you stop beneath the forecourt lights, do not ask whether sushi belongs there. Ask how a French physician saw the refrigerator before refrigeration, the label before plastic, and the traveler reaching for both. Historia's most overlooked revelation was never carved into a palace. It was sealed in a tray and placed just above freezing.